You are all aware, respected friends, you are all aware, India is moving very fast. Originally, India was sleeping giant. Now, India is no more sleeping giant. It is happening place. I can say this much. I have seen politics in public life for the last 4.5 decades. 91, we started economic reforms. 95, we adopted technology as a first mover. Then onwards, India is moving steadily. Now, recent times, we are having a strong leader as Prime Minister, that is Narendra Modi. Stable government, very, very innovative thinking, and also technology is adopting. I worked with so many Prime Ministers. Being a regional party, I partnered, and also at one stage, I dictated national politics at one stage. Now we are ally to NDA. But I can say very clearly for all of you, India will be different India. If you can go through history, centuries took to develop China or first America. Decades, Singapore, all these countries. Now it is a matter of years and decades.